energy can boost our feelings of well-being, dissolve feelings of anxiety, and improve communication.
As we move through our day, we send energy into the world and we receive energy back. Our minds, bodies, and spirits are composed of energy, which vibrates out and is felt by others. Those vibrations resonate within us and impact our own energy stores.
This is why we may feel warm, calm, and cheerful in the presence of some people, but cold, anxious, and blue around others. We carry that energy with us, and it impacts not only us, but all the other people we come in contact with. Good energy can boost our feelings of well-being, dissolve feelings of anxiety, and improve communication. Bad energy results in feelings of discord, conflict, and resentment. Your goal should be to attract good energy and reject the bad.
You can do this by raising your energy level and aligning yourself with positive vibrations. It's simpler than you may think. Start with this 9 daily keys to tune up your inner vibrations and start feeling positive energy flow your way.
Pay attention to the energy you're emitting.
You cannot expect to attract good energy if you give enough loads of negative energy. Think about the kind of vibes others get when they spend time with you. Do you exude a sense of peace, calm, and happiness? Or are you more gloom and doom?
Negative energy is bound to impact your relationship. It may be subtle, but the attitude you approach others with will generally be reflected back at you. What kind of impression do you make on people?
If you naturally seem to draw all this in and people seek out your company, chances are you're doing a good job of emitting positive energy. If people avoid you and sidestep your assistance, you're stuck at a lower negative vibration. Focus on your energy of getting the positive.
Change the tone of your thoughts.
Negative thinking can be hard to stop. It's easy to allow yourself to slip into pessimism or take on an air of indifference. But if you want to attract good things, you must let the positive guide you, not the negative. As the Dalai Lama says, see the positive side, the potential, and make an effort. Actively work to change the tone of your thoughts from negative to positive.
For instance, you can reframe the thought, I am having a hard time adjusting to this situation, to I know I will face challenges with this new situation, but I am capable of coming up with the solutions to the problems, and I know I will adjust to these changes. Don't allow yourself to wallow in pessimistic ruminations. Stop looking for bad news or exaggerating the negativity. Replace negative thoughts with positive but realistic statements that inspire you to take action.
Cut off negative influences.
Negative vibes can disrupt your sense of well-being and drain you of happy feelings and contentedness. These negative influence can be people, places, or things that have an unfavorable sway over your life. It may be that there are people in your life who are toxic to your overall happiness. Perhaps their constant criticism bring you down, or you find yourself picking up their bad habits.
Cut off these negative influences and begin creating the life you want to live. Look for the negative influences in your life. You may be able to completely avoid or remove some of them, which is a surefire way of eliminating that influence. For those that are permanent fixtures, work to limit your exposure to them and mentally fortify yourself before you encounter them.
Expand yourself.
Just as you try to limit your negative influences, make sure you start spending time with positive ones. Surround yourself with positive, successful go-getters who are supportive and caring. Keep company with those who bring positive energy with them. And make sure you nurture and protect those relationships.
Bring your own good energy into your circle and help create a positive synergy that will permeate the group. Look for people who will tell you the truth and will always be honest with you, but never out of spite or with a desire to bring you down.
Embrace compassion and kindness.
Small acts of kindness can have profound impact on both the giver and the receiver. Research shows that people who are kind and compassionate to others are more satisfied with their lives, enjoy better physical and mental health, and have stronger relationships. Giving to others creates a positive feedback loop. The more you give, the more good feelings you receive in return.
The people who benefit from kindness and compassion are more likely to display these traits themselves. There are many easy ways of showing kindness, such as writing a positive message on a sticky note and leaving it for someone to find, buying a cup of coffee for the person behind you in line, or simply taking a moment to smile as you pass strangers. All of this flows happiness and sends heaps of positive energy your way.
Cultivate gratitude.
Find time each day to think about the things you're grateful for. By finding small ways to practice gratitude, you allow yourself to let go of toxic emotions and replace those with positive thoughts. You can practice gratitude each morning by thinking of 5 things you're grateful for. then think of at least one person you're grateful to have in your life.
You can also try keeping a gratitude journal where you can quickly jot down a list of little joys and things that give you a sense of happiness and contentment. Remind yourself of all the bad you have been through. When you see how far you've come and all the difficult storms you have weathered, it will make you more appreciative of what you have in your life now.
Align your current self with your future self.
Things you spend time, energy, and money on will impact you far beyond today. All of these choices will shape your future self. If you want to have positive energy flowing through you, you need to start making decisions that will stir you to become the kind of person you want to be, with the job and relationship you want to have. Ask yourself these questions.
What do you most desire in the world?
What goals and dreams are you working toward?
Act in good faith.
In business, there is generally an assumption that parties are acting in good faith in their dealings. We all know that we should treat each other with fairness. Unfortunately, we don't always follow through with these principles when we interact with each other on a personal or even professional level.
Make it your policy to treat everyone you meet with respect and civility. Be nice to people and they will be nice to you. But more than that, do not retaliate or react harshly when someone does something wrong.
Maybe they're having a bad day or they just reacted without thinking. Reinforcing the negativity isn't going to help. Act in good faith by treating everyone with compassion and graciousness, even if they aren't doing the same.
Your cautiousness will come back to you in the form of good energy.